Just 2 weeks after a teenager received a vaccine meant to prevent HPV, problems arose.
Now, the teen's mother talked with investigator Melissa Yeager and said she had nowhere to turn for help.
Tracy Mormon made sure her kids were fully vaccinated, but after her daughter had what she believes is a severe reaction to Gardasil, she contacted 41 Action News to look into why she couldn't get answers about the vaccine.
17-year-old Maddie Mormon loves music. But 2 years ago, she became too tired to play and would lie in bed with intense headaches and body pain.
I couldn't do anything.
Maddie missed weeks of school.
And my husband suggested that we create a timeline and plot all of her absences from school.
Maddie's parents noticed the absences piled up after their daughter received her first and second doses of Gardasil, the vaccine used to prevent certain types of HPV. HPV is the sexually transmitted disease that is the main cause of cervical cancer.
There's a big difference between correlation and causation. I understand that, but it seemed very clear to us at that point.
After doctors told Tracy reactions can happen with the vaccine, Tracy filed a report with the FDA's Vaccine Adverse Event Reaction System. The government database shows more than 31,000 people reported adverse reactions after receiving the Gardasil vaccine out of 134 million vaccines given worldwide. Some of the most severe reported cases, seizures, paralysis, and in at least 43 cases, death. 2 years after she made a complaint, Tracy's still waiting to hear from the FDA.
Have you ever been contacted?
No, I have not.
Heard anything from the FDA?
No.
In an email, an FDA spokeswoman told us they have several different programs to monitor the safety of vaccines. FDA medical officers review serious adverse events, which they define as fatal, disabling, life-threatening, requiring hospital admission, resulting in a congenital anomaly, or requiring medical intervention. They review medical records, clinic notes, and autopsy reports. The FDA also told us they did a study looking into autoimmune reactions, but didn't find any increased rates of bad reactions to Gardasil compared to other vaccines. The FDA and local doctors like Evelyn Reynolds, who is an oncology gynecologist at the University of Kansas Hospital, believe the benefits of the vaccine outweigh the risks.
The CDC does an excellent job at monitoring any vaccine for whatever purpose or virus it's preventing. And through the 57 million doses, there haven't been any patterns to link to the vaccine itself.
The patient information does recommend some people not receive the vaccine, including those with allergies to yeast, aluminum, and a chemical called polysorbate 80. Tracy says doctors never verbally told her about those and that Maddie has never been tested for possible reactions to those chemicals. She thinks doctors should do a better job informing parents about this vaccine.
If ever I could have a do-over, it absolutely would be, this situation.
We contacted the manufacturer of the vaccine, Merck. A spokeswoman told us in part, Merck communicates proactively to regulatory agencies, healthcare providers, and often parents and patients directly to provide timely and comprehensive information about the safety and efficacy of our products. I'm investigator Melissa Yeager, 41 Action News.
And we do have more links to more information about the vaccine at kshb.com.